Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Gus Random Reviews. In this video, I will be unboxing, assembling, and test driving the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2. So come along and tech with me. Okay, now that the assembly is complete, let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. And we're going to first test it in this carpet and see how well we perform doing it for the first time. What's interesting about this vacuum here is when you want to pull back so that you can start the motion, when you press down, you see that both the legs and the back kind of lift up. It's obviously the stand. So I thought that's pretty unique. I've never seen that before. When I place it back up, you see that both the stand go back up and, you know, keeps the vacuum stable. So let's go ahead and turn this on and vacuum this carpet. So thus far it seems like it has a lot of power. You can actually feel the pressure of the air sucking in the debris, and as soon as I turn it off and I place the lever up, you have this pressure of air that just expels out of the main hose. Now I'm going to continue to attempt it here, but thus far it's doing a great job. You can see all the debris that's being sucked up. I mean, it's very powerful. You can see the dust. Normally what my other vacuum wasn't able to capture, you can see it all in there. Let's continue on this carpet here. Let's take another closer look at how well this vacuum did. Just look at all that filth. Wow, there's so much dust in there that's being picked up by the suction of this vacuum. Wow, I'm very impressed. The brush, I mean, nothing's getting backed up by that brush. That brush just keeps going and going whenever you're going into this vacuum. So let's go ahead and test this in our hardwood floor and see how well it does. All right, let's spin this baby into the hardwood floor. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Now, it actually did a really good job in the hardwood floor. It has a technology where it changes the level of where you're actually vacuuming, whether it's in your carpet or it's in your hardwood floor. This here kind of goes up and down depending on the surface. It's obviously doing a good job at picking up all the dust and dirt from the carpet and the wood floor. I also noticed here a really cool feature. So you have your on button, and then you have another function here that allows you to stop the spinning of your brush. So if you don't want that brush that's here to continue to spin, you can actually disable that by the press of this button. Now the attachments themselves, you lift this lever up and you can utilize this attachment or this other attachment that comes in. So this vacuum here just comes with two attachments. This one here, which is a wide one, and then you have your long one for high reaches. And it's really quite simple. You just pull this lever up, you extend this, you attach this, and then you can continue vacuum. So let me give you a demonstration of how that works. Okay, so as mentioned, what you have to do is lift this lever up, then you pull this extension up along with this other extension, and what you can do is you can pull this up so that it expands and it becomes longer. To bring it back, you just have to utilize both hands to bring it back again to its regular size so that it assembles in the right position. You grab your attachment, and then right here where the safety is, you attach together so it stays put. And now you have an extension that allows you to reach a little bit farther. Okay, to remove the extension or remove this piece here with the brush, you press this button to remove it. So you just have, you know, the plastic and not necessarily with the brushes. To remove this piece, you simply just press this button again and then it releases. You have the other one here that does not attach to this. So this one has to be removed. Okay, we're going to detach it. And so then again, same function, you look at where the button is and you just attach it here. It clicks, and now you can use that. Now obviously this piece does not extend, so it's this tube here that is expanding. So you have this button here that if you want to minimize this tube, you simply just press it down and slide it down. It minimizes the length. Or again, you just extend it. but you always have to press the buttons here to minimize it. Press it once again to detach it. We'll put it place down. We're going to put this extension tube back into its place. And what we want is we want to make sure that this is always facing you. So we'll go ahead and place it down in this section here, the tube, so that this section here clips to the main base. And you can leave this extension as is, or you can just slide it back up. And you can just close the seal. Your extensions can go back into the space here that you can attach, and it goes here. Okay. All right, there you have it. This is the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2. It is the model 227633. First impression, it's working as it should be. I noticed that it has a lot of power. It is very easy to maneuver, and I just can't wait to utilize this in the entire of my home to get all that debris off carpets and floors. Stay tuned for the next video where I will be talking a little bit more in depth in my experience when I utilize this vacuum for quite some time. Thus far, I like this vacuum. So far I'm impressed with how powerful it is and easy to maneuver. And like I said, stay tuned for the next video so that I can really show you what my experience has been with this vacuum and whether I will recommend it or not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you already have a Dyson and you're looking for another Dyson, then check the link in the comment section to where I purchased this vacuum and give it a try. Once again, thank you, and I appreciate you.